In operator login as well as the company login, the first important thing is customize add stock. If you go to add stock, you can see there that no form configuration found. First configure the add stock form to continue. Okay. Follow the below steps to configure the add stock form. Login, customize add stock, change the necessary 7 updates after login. Come to customize add stock and change the necessary. Let's understand what actually is this. As this is a multi-purpose use application and different type of company use this application, so everybody do not need the same input fields to stock entry the stocks. So he can customize his input form based on his requirement. Suppose there is a mm, there is a company which is a hardware company. So for a hardware company, the um, suppose the what may not be a useful thing. Okay, the power may not be a useful input field. Okay, the in a hardware company, suppose this uh, water pump related company. Okay, so there the capacity may be important, the model may important, the brand may important. Okay, lightweight may important. So he can select only the input field which is important to him. Okay, let's check that how this actually works. Okay, let's if you click on reset, everything will be resetted. If you again click on reset, everything will be changed. So let's first disable everything and enable some input fields. Okay, chala number, brand, and you can see that these are disabled. You cannot change these things. Okay, so these are mandatory. uh, let's create some. Okay, of it also, and uh, location and my price. Okay, so I have enabled some of input fields from here and some input fields from here, and then click on save all. So add stock configuration saved successfully. Then if you come to add stock, you can see that there is an input form right now. Okay, before there was written that configure the form first, and now there is a input form. So in this way, you can use this input form to customize your add stock form. Suppose there is brand, what, location, quantity, and item by price. Okay, I am entering a item which has a property, let's say color. So I need to enable the color field from here, save all, and if you come here, you can see that there is a color input field. So in this way, you can use this customized add stock form. If you click on reset all, so everything will be resetted. Okay, everything will be enabled, and using this only this field will be changed, and using this only this field will be changed. So this is the header. This is for the header part, and this is for the lower part of add stock form. This is the header, and this is the footer. So what is header and what is footer? We will discuss this in add stock area. This video is specifically for customized add stock. So in this way, we can customize our input form.